No.
You learned it at Boys and
Boys
Champs.
and Champs. All right, the Minister of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fishes on the show says...
Okay, wait.
Fisheries. Know that, Mr.?
Is there an agriculture of fishes?
I said fisheries.
Is that right beside where Boys and Champs happens?
Wait, no, you didn't hear when I said fisheries.
What did he say? Chad? What did he say?
Fisheries.
Chad. You looked at me immediately. What did he say? Okay.
What did I say?
You see why you must not laugh after people?
The Minister of Industry,
because today for
Commerce,
me,
agriculture,
tomorrow for you,
and fisheries, but we're not reach tomorrow.
You dig one hole, you dig two.
All
right, me finish now.
I wasn't as aggressive when I said.
Continue
when
the
they
fishes,
said Boys
sir.
and Champs, we found it funny.
Continue.
No, you're in my face.
Continue with the fishes before they swam away.
All right. The Minister of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries, which is what I said first, Audley Shaw, says research is currently underway for the development of roadways above gullies, which is interesting. He says, particularly in Kingston, and this is a direct response to increasing traffic in the capital. So he said it's now being researched that wherever there's a gully, there's an opportunity for a bypass above the gully.
So can I ask a question?
Please.
If the gully floods, I guess it can't get beyond a particular... Well, it shouldn't be able to.
It shouldn't. I would think so.
But look what happened to... what the bypass name that we used to drive on all the time? Skinny road over there. Not Mount Russell. What's the name of that bridge?
I have no idea where.
Flat Bridge.
Flat Bridge, yeah.
It rises all the way above the bridge.
Yeah, but Flat Bridge was 900,000 years ago. I guess if they're building it now, they must have some...
high enough to clear...
Fishes, minutes, eh?
Of course it's fishes.
Play it back, I them just don't know what it said.
Chad looked at me, Clive laughed.
Play it back. All right, the Minister of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fishes on the show says...
Okay,
wait. Because I said fast, it sounds like fishes, but it's fishes, minutes. Stop chat. Anyway, according to that same gentleman, who is the minister of that same place, he says gullies, which were introduced to Jamaica by Sir Alexander Bustamante as a means of reducing flooding across the island, is just one of a number of initiatives being looked at by the government as part of the country's overall development and traffic management strategy. All right, what's the next one?
Well, we need some help.
Yeah.
Because he says the highways are good, but because of the amount of vehicles in the country, we still have a problem, and more are coming in.
What's the next one?
The coronavirus in China. Death toll is rising. So China has apparently widened the lockdown in the province where the center of the virus is. The death toll has now climbed to 26. At least 10 cities in the central Chinese province, which has a population of 60 million, have travel restrictions in force. I know there are airports across the world who are testing people before they let them in. And the World Health Organization has their eyes squarely on this one because it has the capacity to be a real problem.
To be a pandemic.
Yeah. Which we can't afford.
I don't know what this is. Authorities in Massachusetts are warning of an electrical outlet challenge video on TikTok. I don't know what TikTok is. They say after 3 incidents sparked concern, including 2 in schools.
TikTok is a social media platform that folks go on.
Part of a phone charger, a wall outlet, and a penny to cause sparks. Electrical system damage and possible fire.
You know, sometimes these challenges go up and they become viral and you wonder what people are thinking. You think of the Tide Pods challenge where people were using the Tide Pods and swallowing them. And, I mean, if you look at that, first of all, if basic science tell you if you're pushing something into an outlet and you push a pen in there, So what folks are saying is that this is a very serious risk. Parents need to talk to their children about this challenge and tell them, please don't even try it, because not only can you start a fire, but You can electrocute yourself, so don't be silly.
You can hurt people. It's kind of crazy.
About it, because you can kill yourself while you're trying to play, is the truth.
Yeah. Final one, you would have heard the story of the taxi that ran over the police officer yesterday. That car right there, police officer, a couple of broken bones in his leg and muscle damage, I'm told. And well, this morning, for some reason, when I heard last night, it said he was in serious condition. He said serious but stable condition, but he needs surgery. So they found the car, but that's it. They haven't found the occupants of the car.
They will.
Yeah.
They will.
So they said the driver appeared to be stopping, then sped up and hit the policeman and ran the car over his leg. That was yesterday morning, 15 minutes to 8 o'clock. So that's the first part of the deal, is that they did find the car. So hopefully they will. I don't understand that, but...
Heartening for folks who've been talking about Jamaica Eye, right?
Yeah.
Because they caught the car as the plate was clear as day.
Man,
so
fantastic.
Jamaica Eye has started to see.
Yep.
It's very encouraging.
All right.
We certainly hope that we find this gentleman so we can hold him to account for what he did to this police officer.
Police officer will
He's
be
okay. Yes.
will be all right
for sure.
soon.
Yes.
Have you ever tried to use the air pumps at the service stations?
Which one? There are none.
Well, there are a couple of them.
If you find one.
Yeah, but I find that you need a PhD to use it. Well, I find so. Because I go to one and all I press, turn, spin, and I couldn't get anything.
Maybe it's not working.
No, it's working, and then I have to call the guy and him say, yeah, there's one at the top of Mountain View that you actually pay $50.
Yes. I paid my $50 and that wasn't working.
Yeah, and then they call the guy and him do it. I didn't know how to. I'm serious. I say that to say that I want to say good morning and thank you to a security guard at, is it Epping? Is that the name of the service station? Just past York Pharmacy. So I went there yesterday morning because I think I have a slow leak in, not even one, two of my tired. So I stopped, I didn't see the pump, and then the security guard was there, and I asked him if the pump was there, and he said yes. He showed me where the pump was, and then he just said, I'll come and help you. And he didn't know, because some people think it's because you're on television and think people do things right. But he didn't, it was dark, and he didn't know it was me. And then after he came over, I realized, help me out, Papa. Never asked for anything. And he, as I said, the security guard, not the service station. I tell you, I didn't get his name, so I drove back this morning to get his name, and his name is Mr. Delroy Butler. And I want to thank you very much, sir. This is like 4 o'clock in the morning. And he just offered. I didn't ask him anything. All I said to him is, where's the pump? And he says, right there. And then when I went for it, he says, I'll come over and I'll help you. So I want to thank you, Mr. Butler. Thank you very, very much.
I want to thank all the television, the gas stations that actually have pumps.
Yeah.
Because that is like 1 in 10.
Which is true.
I drove around the whole week this week. And so I want to say good morning to folks at BD Greg. They actually sell tires and fix tires there. Yeah. And I had to go there to make some air. Yeah, because I couldn't find a gas station with air. All right.